In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money in Vantage. By the end, you'll feel confident depositing funds into your trading account, withdrawing money back out, and moving funds between your own Vantage accounts. I'll walk you through what to click, what to expect, and a few helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. Let's start with depositing money into your trading account. Open your Vantage client portal or the mobile app and sign in. From the main menu, head to Funds and choose Deposit. Select the specific trading account you want to fund so the money lands in the right place. Enter the amount you plan to add, then pick the payment method that suits you best. This could be a bank transfer, a card, an e-wallet, or crypto, depending on what's available to you. Click Pay Now to proceed and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the payment. Keep in mind that available payment methods can vary by your country and account type. Many deposits show up instantly, especially card and certain e-wallet options, but bank transfers and some other methods can take longer. If the transfer doesn't appear right away, give it a little time based on the method you used. Now let's talk about withdrawing money from Vantage to your bank or e-wallet. Log into the client portal and navigate to Funds, then choose Withdrawal. Pick the account you want to withdraw from, enter the amount, select your withdrawal method, and submit your request. There are a couple of important rules here. You'll typically need to withdraw using the same method you used to deposit. This is an anti-fraud requirement aimed at keeping your account secure. In terms of timing, withdrawals are usually approved within 24 hours, and the arrival to your bank or e-wallet generally takes between 1 and 7 business days, depending on the method and your financial institution's processing times. You can monitor the status in your portal and plan around those timelines. Finally, if you have multiple Vantage accounts and want to move funds between them, go to Funds and look for Transfer or Internal Transfer. Choose the account you're moving money from, the account you're moving it to, enter the amount, and confirm the transfer. It's a good idea to double-check both account selections before confirming. You can verify the transfer in your transaction history, which is also helpful for keeping a clear record of all your movements. That's it. Deposits, withdrawals, and internal transfers in Vantage are straightforward once you know where to go and what to expect. Always review your details carefully, keep the processing times in mind, and use your transaction history to track everything end to end.